Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You can see right here the CESS network pre-deposit is open. You can see deposit CX to BitGet now with zero gas fees. And if you open here, you get to see that the pre-deposit ends on June 24th. So I'm guessing the TGE date is going to be on June 24th. Because most of us have not claimed this airdrop. So let me show you how to claim and how you can get to see your location, and also how you can also deposit to your BitGet exchange. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe. If you're watching my videos and you're yet to subscribe, do subscribe so you can get more airdrop information as quickly as possible. Click on these links, can take you to your CESS network dashboard. So once it takes you to your dashboard, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see your points, your total points, and then if you submitted your BitGet eligibility, your BitGet wallet when I posted it, then you should be able to have this open. So you're going to see phase one, you're going to see get right here. I've already exchanged, that's why you're showing me exchange. So you will see get right here, click on the get, and then to tell you how many points and then how many CESS tokens you'll be getting. So this points was divided by 100 to give 16.6 tokens, and that's why if you come over here to wallet, you'll be seeing this is my balance, 16.60 tokens. So if it's showing 0, do well to click on get so you can convert your points to your CESS token. Then once you see it, you can now click on deposit to BitGet with 0 gas fee. So you can see over here, this is the history of the exchange that occurred. So click on pre-deposit to BitGet with 0 gas fee. So once you click it, you can go over to your BitGet, copy your BitGet UID, paste it here, then copy your BitGet CESS deposit address and paste it here. Let me do that quickly. I've copied and pasted my BitGet UID and CESS deposit address. It's BNB network, so you can, this is actually quite easy to find. So once you've done that, click on pre-deposit and verify. So go to submitted once you've done that, and then it's going to verify. So I think you just wait for it to drop. I think that's all for this video. So do well to claim and exchange your allocation and then withdraw straight to your BitGet wallet. Thank you for watching this video, and do well to subscribe. If you also do well to join my Telegram channel so you can get early information about all this. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.